Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So let me teach you how to create Spongebob here on this platform. So we have water plus wind equals wave, and then you have water again. Let's take another water here, so double the water. You'll get a lake. Let's put it top here. Put earth. Put it underneath here, and then let's go ahead and grab this one. I'm just following steps here. Put it on top of here, the beach, to create a beach here. I'm just following a prompt as I'm speaking right now. Now you have this one. You have fire, both of them. Creates a volcano. Put it on top of the beach here. You'll get Hawaii. Now in Hawaii, you need to merge it with the plant here to create the pineapple. And on the pineapple, get a fire with the water here to create this steam. And then go ahead and put the earth here on the steam to create mud, fire. Put on top of the mud to create brick. Now we're going to need multiple bricks here, so a brick or two would be good. It's going to create the here we go, a wall. So put another brick here. And once you lay it on top here again, it becomes a house now. And then put it on top of the pineapple here. And now you have the pineapple under the sea. Take the lake, water, merge it with the lake so it becomes the ocean. Getting close to SpongeBob now. Water again to the ocean. Now you have a fish. Put it on the pineapple under the sea. There you go. There's SpongeBob. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.